Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Ibraheem Muhsin. I will be your instructor in this series called How to Read the Arabic Language. Let's talk about what we're going to learn. In these videos, you're going to learn how to read the Arabic language. We're not going to teach how to speak and hold a conversation. That class is already being offered by my brother Jibril. And if you are interested and you know how to read the Arabic language, I advise you to attend, and you can find those videos at this link. We will not be learning how to recite in the Arabic language, and that is specifically for reciting the Quran. Those lessons will be offered and given in another series. We are just going to focus on learning how to read the Arabic language. This will be the gateway for you to read text in the Arabic language, but it would also be the gateway for you learning how to recite the Quran, inshallah ta'ala. How long will this series take? It will be approximately 30 videos. Don't let that overwhelm you. Within 8 videos, you will be able to read Arabic words that consist of 3 and 4 letters, pronouncing them in the correct way. Our curriculum will focus on enunciation and eliminating common mistakes. We're going to do that through a PDF document that I have, and we will provide you with the link for that so you can follow along and use it when you are studying and learning how to read the Arabic language. Now, what makes this series different than others? In this curriculum, you will learn how to pronounce the letters the correct way, right? By learning the location of this letter and what important attributes that are needed in order to pronounce this letter the correct way. And by doing so, we will be able to eliminate common mistakes that occur when someone is attempting to speak Arabic. I've taught both native and non-native Arab speakers, and don't assume that an Arab will know how to pronounce or speak Arabic the correct way. There are dialects involved. Some people have accents, and that influences their pronunciation of the Arabic language. And we do not want that, especially when reciting the Quran. So in this series, we are going to attempt to eliminate all of that and to get you all up to speed in pronouncing the Arabic language the correct way. I'm looking forward to all of you being there in our next session. Jazakumullahu khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.